What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
Hey, we're going on a ride. We're going to Mr. Toad. We're going to Mr. Toad. Are you going to Mr. Toad? Alright, we're ready. We're going on now. To the camera. Look at the camera.
We're never coming to Disneyland again. It's ghetto here. Someone stole our cup. Thieves! Thieves, all of you. That's insane. It's ghetto here. 10 out of 10, don't recommend. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. Never come here, ever.
Yeah, I like that thing.
Literally the only thing I bought you that you've used every single day. Like, he loves you so much that if you bought it on the whale, he already bought that.
I believe that road is reaching the motorcar now. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and please supervise your feet and legs inside. Watch your children. Do try to drive more carefully than told. Ta-ta.
Here we go, Nixon Drive. Whoa.
I want to go on more rides.
Whoa, that was crazy, huh? That was crazy. Woo. All right, put your hands up. They're gonna win out.
I want to go on more rides.
Still think it's ghetto?
10 strikes. This is ghetto.